Lily and the Duckling, written and illustrated by Evelyn Faith Pritchard. Lily is looking for an animal today, but there is nothing but the blue sky. All she sees is a duckling, one little duckling. Lily is hungry. She has some bread to eat. The duckling is hungry too. Oh no, the duckling steals the bread. Silly, silly duckling. Lily catches up with the duckling. She is not happy. But the duckling is so cute. She pats its head and said, Lily takes the duckling home for a picture and keeps it for a pet. The end.